What's good, people? Robbie Bright Jones here from RBJ Creative Studio, and today I'm bringing to you another episode. So today's shout out goes to Praba Familia. So all you have to do is just search Praba Familia like this. You hit on enter, and there she is. She's into beauty, hair, but she does like more hair. As you can see here, it says natural hair, DIYs and TS. I mean, that's what she do. Like, she's more into hair and stuff. Kindly subscribe to her channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell. So whenever she posts, you get a message that she has posted, and that's how we do it. So Praba. So today's episode, what we're going to do is we are going to learn how to create glowy lines, that's neon glow lights in texts and also around images. So first of all, let's get into it. So I'll hit on my text tool, and I have this guy here, lorem ipsum. I mean, that's the default text they give you whenever you open the text. So what I'm going to do is I'll just type glow. And I think our font is okay. Okay. I think you guys should have to pardon me because my mouse of late has been giving me a whole lot of trouble. So what we're going to do is, I think I taught how to get 5 different texts, and we're going to dig out the inner space of the glow, so we get the outlines only. So first of all, you just hold your control, then you click on the thumbnail here, you go to select, you go to modify and contract. You make sure it's set to contract by 10 pixels, then you hit on OK, then you delete. This is the guy we're going to use for our glow. So first of all, after doing this, you go to your effects panel and you hit on outer glow. So on outer glow, this is what you get. So first of all, we have the opacity and we have the noise and others. So what you have to do is come to the elements, that's the size, then you make sure you get an accurate size. So you'd have to choose a color too. For me, I'll go with red. So you choose red, make sure you have an accurate size, and also just a little bit of the spread, and also the opacity too works whenever it comes to these types of things. And something like this. And one thing that you have to consider is you'd have to make sure the glow or the text that you're using looks like it is how do we call it, like it's on a background or something. I don't know how to put this, but there should be something like a shadow thing in it, so that it helps your outer glow to come out more. That's how it works. So as you can see, I'm trying to go around with the shadow, and you see how it's working around it. So you make sure you position it how you want it to be and everything. I mean, and this is how it works. So here's our glow. That's our simple glow. But then you can choose not to do it like this. You can just go straight and just add the outer glow to the effect. But then this too works. That's how we do it. And one thing that you should notice is if you want to apply the glow to a custom shape or something, you can just choose the pen tool, and the shortcut for pen tool is just P. Then you come up here, instead of path you choose shape, then you just draw around whatever you want to do. So here I think I'd have to make the line a bit thin. So I just go straight like this. Then I'll repeat the same thing backwards. This is just a random shape that I'm doing right now. So something like this with the pen tool, and you can just right click on the other outer glow you did and just copy then you paste. So if you turn it off, this is how it works. But you can just make sure you, instead of black, you can choose, let's say, white or red, just to give it that kind of glowy thing. And don't ever use the outer glow without adding your shadows, because the shadows is everything. So let me just do something real quick here. Let me just turn off the drop shadow so you see how it works. You see how it looks. I mean, it's not like you're going to get it effective or something, but then whenever you add the drop shadow, it looks very effective. So fast forward, let's get an image into let's get an image. I think I already have an image somewhere, but let me just get one from here. So this image, we're just going to use the pen tool to scribble around the image and just get the outer glows to work. And one thing, this is a low quality image. One thing, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do it, please. I'm begging you. Let me use Kwame Nkrumah. I think Kwame Nkrumah will help. Kwame Nkrumah, who helped Ghana gain independence. So please kindly subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be a whole lot of tutorials and what have you that is going to come your way and stuff. So first of all, you just start drawing around. We are not necessarily going to go around the whole thing, but we just want something very thin here. So I'm just going to draw back like how I did to the front, and yeah. Okay, so this is one. Let's move on to the next. One thing you should know, whenever you're about to move on to a next pattern, you need to make sure you've not selected the shape that you did recently. You just click anywhere to get it out of the system, then you move on to the next place that you want to draw the shape. So I just draw here real quick, then I'll come back, making sure I'm getting a very thin line. You don't want a bold line, because if you do it that way, you're not going to get the effectiveness of the glow. Okay, so I think I'll end here. Then I think we've already copied the outer glow, so all you have to do is just paste it, and just paste it. The reason why we are having this is, the image is kind of low quality, so yeah, I'll just choose red and also choose red. Wait, let me change this one to blue, then I'll just change the outer glow to blue too. So we just enter the outer glow and make sure the size is way a little bit down, and the opacity too is somewhat down. Yeah, and hit on OK. Move on to the second shape and also hit on the outer glow and bring down the size. And then we can also change the color. So as you can see, instead of the regular red, we have a blue with a blue glow. It looks very nice. Yeah. So if you want to get that same type of effect, you have to just draw around the whole thing. I don't know, this is just a personal preference or something, so you just do whatever you feel is going to help you. This is it, guys. This is it. Kindly subscribe to Praba Familia's YouTube channel. She does natural hair tutorials, how to get good hair, and you understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So and make sure to subscribe to my channel too. Yeah. So guys, that will be it for today. Kindly subscribe, comment, like, share to your friends, and I'll see you the next time. Peace out.